Good morning, Dave McKernan. I am the Coordinator of Emergency Management for Fairfax County, and this is an exercise. We've had a fake tornado touch down in the western part of the county, started in Centerville, crossed into Chantilly and Fair Oaks. As you can see behind me, we have multiple agencies from the county, the state, non-government organizations, Red Cross, volunteer, Fairfax, all of them engaged in this exercise to prepare for an actual tornado. Now, this tornado was an F4. It was very significant. It does demonstrate the need for folks to be prepared. Doing these types of exercises is extremely important for us. We need to do this so that we know what to do, and we have built our relationships. We know each other when we work in the EOC, so when an actual event does occur, we know what to do. We can go right to work. We don't have to think about it. We just go to work. So a 3-day exercise like this gets a lot of people engaged, gets people working together, building relationships, doing what they need to do, bringing subject matter experts in, and mitigating these exercises. So when the big one does occur here in Fairfax, we know what to do and go right to work.